Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I want to speak with you today about artificial intelligence and about AI. And and uh, and before we started, uh, uh, I I one moment. Before we started, I hopefully that all hostages bring them home, all Israeli hostages in Gaza bring them home, and I hopefully that easy fest Tisha B'Av, and let's start to speak about AI and speak about artificial intelligence and speak about this is number 2 video about talking about AI and talking about artificial intelligence and talking about the new what is new in AI world and artificial intelligence world. And let's start it. We start to speak about innovation and update in leading AI models. The pace of innovation in artificial intelligence models is designed with companies like OpenAI, Google, and Apple releasing uh, new, uh, new uh, update and features almost weekly. This update improve not only the basic capabilities of of the models but also how users can interact with them and integrate them into their daily lives and work. ChatGPT significant updates. Project feature ChatGPT introduces an innovative capability for organizing or organ or organ orgasm. One moment. Uh, Organism. Conversion, conversion, and content by topic, similar to a project mega moment man, management management system. Each project can include countries con- continuous memory, allowing the model to recall contents and details from reviews conversations within that project. In addition, the feature support voice mode, enabling continuous and natural voice interaction within different projects. Option to upload files from anywhere and access advanced models on mobile. ChatGPT enhances its flexibility, allowing users to upload the files PDF, Word, Excel, image, and etc. from any source or device. There, thereby expanding the scope of tasks the model can perform. Additionally, more advanced ChatGPT models have become accessible through the mobile app, and enabling powerful processing and analysis capabilities even on the go. Significant updates to Canvas allowing saving and exporting documents and code. The Canvas tools in ChatGPT designed for writing and processing texts and code as received a major upgrade. Users can now easily save their work and export documents and code snippets in various formats, improving productivity and collaboration. Connectors feature for connecting ChatGPT to cloud service. This is one of the most significant innovation that extends ChatGPT's functionality beyond and the chat interface. The connectors features allows users to directly link ChatGPT to popular cloud services such as Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Calendar. This connection enables ChatGPT to access personal information with user permission. Summarize emails, skill. One moment. Meeting local specific documents and perform action based on personal data. Ability record meeting and receive summaries and notes. Notice this feature allows ChatGPT to record conversations or meetings subject to permissions. Transcribe then and create detailed summaries including key point, decision, and relevant notice. This capability dramatically improves productivity and facilitates the documentation of information from important meetings. Accessibility. It important to note that these advanced features are primarily available to paid subscribes plus Team Pro of ChatGPT, highlighting the benefits of upgrading a subscription for heavy users. Saving tip: it is possible to save 50% on the cost of ChatGPT subscription through the dedicated tips and coupons. Check availability. And then now I want to speak with you about little thing. I want to speak with you about the Apple AI, the Apple so improve AI, and the artificial intelligence by Apple and control Apple. And let's go. Did you know that Apple and the world of AI foundation models on device extraction Apple introduced its foundation models, which allow advanced AI models to run directly on the device on-device AI, rather than solely in the cloud. This approach emphasizes privacy and data security, as personal information remains on the user's device and is not sent to third-party service. This is a significant advancement and advantage for Apple, based on its privacy strategy, showcased AI-based features. Live translation for conversation. The ability to translate voice conversations in real time, facilitating communication between speakers of different language. AI assistant for fitness training, and AI tools that analyze user performance in fitness workouts and provides personalized feedback and recommendation for improvement. Siri assistants, despite the impressive announcements, Siri, Apple Voice Assistant, has not yet received significant upgrade that would place it on par with competitors, companies like Gemini or ChatGPT, indicating a gap that Apple needs to close in this era. 11v3 Natural and Human-like Text-to-Speech Model. Introduction. 11 Labs a leading company and AI-based voice generation language 11 v3, a particularly advanced version of its text-to-speech models. V3 model capabilities. The model produces remarkably human-like speech with rich vocal nuances such as birth, varying intonation, pushes, emphasize, whispers, and even complex emotional expression that truly bring text to life. The model can understand sentence context, and update its speaking style, embossing, dramatic, moving. Accordingly, it support over 70 language, including Hebrew, and delivers a particularly natural and high-quality results, making it an ideal tool for video dubbing, podcast creation, marketing, narration, and a wide range of other users. Voice clone feature, a unqueue feature that allows for precise duplication, of the user's voice by uploading a short recording, 1-2 minutes, of the user's voice. The system learns the accent, tone, and rhythm, and generates a digital voice that speaks exactly like them. This feature requires an upgrade to paid version. Now you ready to subject 5? It's going to be interesting. So much interesting. So much. This gonna be great. Great thing. And wow. Yeah. And let's go. And subject 5 on AI. Now I want to speak with you about the dedicated AI tools of virus fields. Virus field. The development of AI has given rise to a vast array of suspected tools tailored to specific needs in virus industries and activities. These tools provide automated and intelligent solutions enabling users to save time, optimize processes, and improve results in their respective fields. Business management and planning, Revora, and advanced AI system that enable the creation of comprehensive business marketing and finance plans. The system includes daily personalized guidance by smart AI, which guides the user through the planning process and provides insight. Revora offers a 2-week free trial and an additional 50% discount on an annual subscription with a dedicated coupon code GPTIL, making it particularly accessible for small and medium-sized businesses. Video and images editing, Megicruel, and automated videos editor powered by AI. The tool's assistance in creating custom backgrounds, automatically improving video quality, brightness, color stability, and generating accurate and fast caption thereby streamlining the post-production processes. Idea House and innovative AI tools designed for home design and arrangement. The system allow users to plan in interior and exterior design, sharpen existing room photos, and plan aesthetic aesthetic compositions, thoughts providing quick and efficient design solution. Design AI, a powerful AI tools for image design and editing. It enables the creation of exceptionally high quality images and full control over virus elements in the image, such as style, colors, and composition, creating users broad creative freedom. Creative writing and research. Novel Crafter, a creative writing tool specifically designed for an authors and screenwrites. Novel crafter aids to plot buildings, complex character development, and in-depth research, thereby helping artists overcome writer's block and improve the quality of their creation. Perplexity Labs, a platform that enables the transformation of raw data into comparative business. Inside users, AI it assistance in analyzing trade, identifying hidden patterns, and generating valuable reports for strategic decision making. Financial and customer service, flight refund, and and unicorn Israeli service that uses AI to local and process competition due to due to passengers for flight delays or cancellation. The system analyzes real-time data, identifies eligibility for compensation and handles all necessary processor service, passengers, time and effort. Smart personal assistant. Wow, how much? Wow, we have a lot today. We have a lot content today. Wow. That is before I number 5, number this. Okay. Yeah. Smart personal assistant. Broadery, a smart personal assistant based on voice conversation, designed to find connection, and relationships between people if analyzes information from conversations and meetings and suggests effective ways to build networks and start things based business and social ties. Napster AI, a platform that for editing and AI video assistant to website. The assistant can conduct live conversation with visitors, understand their needs, and provide relevant information while adjusting voice modulation. This is an excellent tools for improving customer experience and service automation. Comparing large language models (LLM) Nelly did a dedicated tools for comparing the results for and performance of large language models (LLMs) such as ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Nelly did allow users to enter identical prompts and examine the responses of the different models side by side, thereby assisting in choosing the most suitable models for specific tasks. Learning, investing, and developing personal AI capabilities. Understanding and mastering AI capabilities are becoming essential. How much the video? Live. Wow. I speak a lot. Okay. This video, I'm so tired. This video, it's part 2 that I speak AI. In the next episode, I speak learning, investing, and developing personal AI capabilities. I speak constellation and the way forward, and I speak must know free AI tools, content creation, and I speak for this, and I speak and I see you and watch you new AI tools, and I learn you about new AI tools, and new thing about AI, and all what new in AI, and we speak about implication and future potential and advanced features for constant theory and how it's work, how AI it's work, and video revolution, Midjourney enters the world of AI power generation, and we have a lot of, and let's follow me, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and follow me, and make subscribe and ring the bell of my this, and let's go. We only start to speak AI. Ciao. Hello everyone, I'm back from the break. I give myself break to drink water, to sleep, and to wake up and sleep and wake up, and now I back to speaking about artificial intelligence and about AI and artificial intelligence and what is new in AI and artificial intelligence world, and all what's new in this artificial intelligent world and AI world, and what's new in this industrial and this sector. Let's start back. Let's go back. Yeah. And yeah, I'm back. Let's speak. And I want to speak with you about now about learning, investing, and developing personal AI capabilities. Understanding and mastering AI capabilities are becoming essential skills in the current era. A wide range of resources are available that allow anyone to learn about this field, invest in it, and develop personal abilities in using AI tools. Simple AI podcasts learn about AI easily. Variety of topics. The Simple AI podcast offers episodes covering a wide range of relevant AI topics. A Cold War bringing the AI revolution, with facing episode on geopolitical struggle between China and US leadership, AI and its implication, efficient customer management in the AI world, with investing AI. Let's speak about investing AI and list of exchange traded founded ETFs in AI fields. Many ETFs exist that allow investors to gain exposure to the entire AI market, rather than investing in individual companies. A list of relevant ETFs provides potential investors with a convenient and leading way to diversity their investments in the field. Financial independence. A 004 model challenge building and investing portfolio with AI. A practical challenge demonstrates how AI tools can be leveraged to build a personalized investment portfolio. The challenge provides tools and knowledge for market analysis in identifying operations and making informed investment decision using AI capabilities. Development personal AI capabilities. Gunlef, an interactive game for training, prompting, and language model explanation skills, using a unicorn game that allow users to participate and improve their prompting abilities. Participants are required to exploit AI models and make them reveal secret information using sophisticated parsing techniques. Understanding the model's limits and defenses, and pushing the boundaries of creativity. Post with ideas for AI activities for stress relief with children. Creative ways to integrate AI into children's daily lives for learning, play, and stress relief. Relief. This can include creating stories, drawing, or games using AI therapy market, making the technology accessible to the younger generation. Courses and training. Courses is creating money course course and on creating money making video with AI, a com, com, comprehensive courses that teaches how to leverage AI tools to create high quality efficient videos with the aim of generating income from them. The course offers a discounted price, making it accessible to entrepreneurs and content creators. Course on starting an AI consulting business. Personal email from Benny Fiber. No. A personal letter from no. Journey and success in artificial intelligence and launching a new course. The course is for individuals interested in turning their enthusiasm for AI into profitable cost to leading business without needed prior programming or developing knowledge. The training offers a structured path to creating an independent business based on providing as solutions to other business. Number 7, conclusion and the way forward. Artificial intelligence continues to be the central driving force of technological innovation. Models are developing at an unprecedented pace. Specialized tools are making AI accessible than ever, and its effects are evident in all areas of life, from business and medicine to education and regulation. Recent developments, including significant strategic changes in gained companies, giant companies, and the growing need for reasonable regulation indicate that we are in the mindset of board technological revolution. The ability to harness the power of AI, how what therefore content creation, business optimization, informed decision making, or personal skills development is becoming essential. Before us lies a future where AI will not only assistant with daily tasks, but also become the creative and strategic partner. Therefore, continuous learning, experimenting with new tools, and deep understanding of implication of this technology will be key to success in the AI era. Must know free AI tools for content creation. What to create amazing content, save time and money, all for free. In and in this chapter, we'll show you tools that will allow you to do just that with ease. Qwen 2.5 by Alibaba, the versatile content generator. What is it? An advanced AI chatbot, considered one of the best in the world. Unique capabilities for generating high-quality videos, image for free, fast and efficient, visual content creation for social media, personal presentation, and more. Showcase short videos and images created with Qwen along with quick using tips. Mention that it's currently free but may change in the future. OpenAI image creator replicating DALL-E 2, a new innovative image generator directly intergenerated into GPT 404 GPT-4 offers more realistic image legible text without spelling errors, and logos support perfect perfect for branding, content creators making, and business owners looking for quick and accurate visualizations. Compare an image before and after using tool, emphasizing logo integration. Demonstrate a simple prompt. Creating marketing image with ChatGPT. Using simple prompt in ChatGPT to create branding images and making ads. Significant savings in time and money on photographers and graphic designers. Demonstrate a prompt that generates a before after product image in a luxury style, emphasizing attention to details. The image on the left is a before picture of random product. The image on the right is the picture ChatGPT created for me in the 1 minute. Notebook LM Hebrew podcast at the click of the button. What is it? A Google tool that allows for creating podcasts in Hebrew and 15 other languages from any type of content. Upload the fields, articles, links to digital host converse naturally about the topic you have chosen. Learning information symbolization, easy audio content creation, play short effect excerpt from a generated podcast and show the upload interface. Mention the option to join the conversation. Copilot Microsoft, the power of O1 model for free. What is it? An application offering free use for OpenAI O1 model and models with deep thinking capabilities. The model thinks for about 3 seconds, 30 seconds before providing an answer and offers especially in-depth analysis for solving complex problems. Business mathematical career advice show the activation process of deep thinking in Copilot and demonstrate complex question and its solution. Chapter 2: AI for Business Automation, Optimization, and Dramatic Time Saving. Business owners attention want to work less and earn more. The following tool will reverse and whole world of automation and dramatic time saving for you. MakePoint.com, a platform for building smart automation. A platform for building complex automation between dozens of tools: Gmail, Slack, Notion, Shopify, Google Sheets, without need to write code. Automated email sending, inventory management, lead handling, and more. Present a simple flow chart, customer living details on website, making sense, automatic emails, information updates in CRM. Power Drill AI, your business data analyzer, a tool that analyzes business data and provides smart insights at the click of the button. Identifies platforms, opportunities, pinpoints, features, and optimizes process. Integrates with systems like Google Analyze, CRM, Excel, show a dashboard or simple report that Power Drill AI can generate. For example, showing the best-selling product. Add creative AI, high converting marketing ads in an instant. What is it? Generates optimal marketing ads for Facebook, Instagram, and Google, including text, image, and design, saving a huge amounts of time and money on creative work, and based on performance optimized algorithms showcase the simple ad created by tools. AI agents for leads and sales, don't miss a single customer. AI agent for Telegram lead search, uh, an agent that find leads in any category and sends detailed list to Google Sheets, including comprehensive research on each lead pain point, related companies, ETS, Signpost, AI agent for Facebook, a website bot that monitors Facebook group, filters relevant posts, and automatically offers service answering. You're the first to report. Show an example of the lead list from Telegram or an alert from Signpost. Creating startup and apps with AI even without coding knowledge. Base 44 Israeli on Israeli website that allows building startup apps and SaaS website without code, including detailed database building, email system, and easy AI integration. Mention and the successful sell of the company as proof of potential. ChatGPT Canvas create basic web application and landing page based on React and HTML directly in ChatGPT without coding knowledge, and an AI website that provide honest uh, and painful Facebook feedback on startup ideas. Firebase Studio Google, a new development environment that allowing building application and website using text alone, uh, integrating Gemini, Lovable, a platform that allowing creating real application and website just from prompt, especially in code generation competitions. Using example show interface of base 44 of simple app created with ChatGPT Canvas. Achieve existing AI update and innovation. What new with Tech Giant? Get ready for update because Tech Giant never stop. Google and OpenAI are upgrading their capabilities at a design pace. Massive update to Gemini, Google. Smarter personalization. Learn from Google's searches, advisors, advanced integration with Google App Calendar, key tasks, upgraded research capabilities, smarter deep research, real-time thoughts, show its thinking process, developer upgrade, improvements to Gemini 2.0 Flash and Gemini 1.5 Pro, improved API Canvas features for collaborate collab, col, collaborative work, Pixel device integration, Gemini Live real-time image video analysis, improvement to circle to search, VO 2.3 video creation, creators realistic AI videos 8 seconds long, VO2 70 120 or more, advanced with synchronized sound, music, and speech, VO3 Flow, advanced video creation, and tools combining VO image and Gemini for professional video content creation. Since I did Director, a AI tool identified AI generation content, watermaking. Android XR smart glasses with augmented reality integrating Gemini simulation, translation, AR navigation, Google Vibes, and application for creating explanatory videos with AI support, script narration, AI Ultra, a new premium subscription, 249.99 per month, providing access to the most advanced model, including Stronge and YouTube Premium. Project Astera Super Agent, ability to perform any action on the phone without human intervention, reading PDFs, opening YouTube, calling stories. ChatGPT updates. ChatGPT 4.1 mini and nano version. Support for long contents up to 1 million tokens. Faster than better coding, lower cost, available to development via API. Smart personal memory in ChatGPT remembers performance, writing, style, and personal details manageable. New image gallery in ChatGPT for viewing, editing, saving, and sharing images generated by the model. Also, users connecting ChatGPT to personal apps, Gmail, Outlook, Google Calendar, Drive, Dropbox, GitHub, test features in ChatGPT for scheduling action and reminders, daily news reviews, smart reminders, automate report, deep research in ChatGPT, and autonomous research agent that scans, analyzes, and synthesizes hundreds of information sources with accuracy, also available plus limited. ChatGPT update for WhatsApp and sending voice message and uploading images to chat. O3 and O4 mini models, powerful models that independently activate tools like internet search, Python code extraction, image analysis, and generation, improving reasoning capabilities, create image creation from drawing, transforming simple drawing on paper with whiteboard or with a mouse into realistic image comics, logos, upgraded voice upgrade voice conversation, more natural and full conversation without interruption. So we speak everything, but I want to speak with you about Grok, Elon Musk Grok, the chatbot by Elon Musk. A less nice AI chatbot suitable for 18 content include app limited free use, deep search, sync mode, realistic image creation, and DeepSeek China, and advancements in a free AI model comparing with ChatGPT o4 and Claude Sonnet 3.5 with high efficiency but with connectors about data security. King AI 2.0, a leading tool for creating AI video, English promptings, or animating image with smoother character movements, physics, control higher realism. Claude, the advanced model ops leads code writing artifacts feature allow creating infographics, follow charts, mind maps without coding knowledge. Hadron.com 0.com, making any character and image speak and text. Sono high quality sound created by ACE, including extensive free 11v3 alpha, the next generation AI based speech with exceptionally human like voice context understanding, support for 70 language and voice cloning capabilities and more. And now I want to speak the AI of AI in virus build and a leap forward. Chapter introduction. Artificial intelligence is not just a technological tool. It is changing the face of the medicine, education, economics, and many other fields. Let's see how. AI in medicine. EVE ECG-MPL model de- de- detecting endometrial center with 99.26% accuracy through potential early and accelerate designs of other sensors, colon, oral, and saving lives. Vision. AI smart aid for doctors for faster and more effective treatment. AI education. China. A student will become mandatory from age 6 starting September 1, 2025, at least 8 hours per year to learn about AI. USA children will learn AI from age 5 per presidential order. Task force competitions, youth specialization tracks, significance, preparing the next generation for the AI-based world and global trends that requires adaptation. Investment in AI startup. Investment oppor- 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 opportunities, personal presenting an example of investment opportunities in the tourism sector integrating AI. AI potential. Base 44 company enabling code-free app and website building was sold, highlighting the enormous business potential. Perplexity AI for stock market analysis. AI tool analyzing companies and stocks, searching financial information and gaining insight before investing. Uh, Tools and tips for smart AI using. This is a other subject, and wow, very close to end. Okay, the unlimited so until then, this is my video about AI. In next video, I want to speak and talk with you about. I want to give you to learn you about new tools, AI tips about using smart using use Sage and on AI, and I want to speak with you in the next video about ChatGPT usage tip and GMS and AI learning tools and summary and calls to action in AI In Video Revolution, Midjourney enters the world of AI-powered video generated and how AI it's work, how Midjourney AI models will work, advanced features for consistency, implications, and future potential for AI, cost and accessibility of AI, and and I think we do great. We do great thing. We where is it? We are? One moment. One moment. Here. Yeah. Okay. Until then, this is video.